Chapter 1. The letter no one expected. The sun blazed over Springfield so brightly that even Homer Simpson who was usually napping on the couch with a donut balanced on his belly, cracked one eye open. Marge, he yelled. The sun's shining right into my beer. Homer, Marge sighed, the beer isn't open yet. And it's in the fridge. Oh, Homer paused. Then why am I so sleepy? At that moment, an owl letter came rocketing down the chimney and landed directly in his can of Duff. What the? Homer shrieked, wiping beer off his face. The letter was weird. Yellow parchment, green ink, and a wax seal stamped with Hogwarts. Oh my gosh, Lisa gasped, snatching it. It's a letter from the School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. The what now? Homer frowned. Is that where they teach you to turn air into beer? No, Dad, they teach magic. Ooh, Homer's eyes lit up. So you can make never-ending donuts. Well, technically, yes, Lisa said, instantly regretting it. Bart snatched the letter and read aloud. Dear Mr. Simpson, we are pleased to inform you that you have been accepted at Hogwarts. What? Homer yanked it back. That's my name. Dad, you're a muggle. Lisa groaned. I ain't no muggle. Homer bellowed. I'm Homer J. Simpson. Then came a heavy knock at the door. Standing on the porch was a giant, bearded man in a shaggy coat. Hello, ***, he boomed. Rubius Hagrid, keeper of keys at Hogwarts. WHOAAA, it's a beard with a man attached. Bart screamed. You're, big, ***, Homer managed, staring up at Hagrid. Hagrid grinned. And, I'm here to take ye, Homer, to the wizarding world. But, Lisa sputtered. Dad can't be a wizard. Oh, but he is. Hagrid pulled out a pink, glittery wand. Homer liked it. It looked like frosting. He's the chosen one. Me, Homer beamed. Finally, someone recognizes my genius. Nope, ***, Hagrid said. Voldemort just picked the wrong name by accident. Oh. Meanwhile, somewhere in England, the real Harry Potter eats his oatmeal in peace, blissfully unaware his destiny just got stolen. Chapter 2. The boy WHO lived. Next door. Diagon Alley, or how Homer almost ate the wizarding world. Hagrid dragged Homer through the leaky cauldron so fast he left a donut-shaped hole in the wall. Homer, ***, whoa, this magic beer tastes like actual beer. What kind of scam is this? Tom the bartender. That's just regular ale, sir. With a dramatic tap of his umbrella, Hagrid opened the brick passage to Diagon Alley. Homer's jaw dropped. Homer, ***, Marge. They got a whole secret town where the IRS can't find you. Their first stop. Ollivander's wand shop. Ollivander. ***. Curious, very curious. I've never seen a magical signature quite like yours, Mr. Simpson. Homer. Is that good? Ollivander. No. It's deeply concerning. After 47 failed attempts, including one wand that made all nearby food scream, they found Homer's match. 16 inches, phoenix feather core, encased in, is this fried dough? Homer, forbidden donut, takes bite. The wand explodes. Again. Meanwhile at Madame Malkin's robes. Marge, Homer, you can't wear your work shirt to wizard school. Homer, why not? It's got magic stains that never come out. The robe stitching itself around Homer screams in protest. Gringotts, or how Homer broke the wizarding economy. The goblins recoiled as Homer approached. Head goblin. By the 7 vaults, this man's finances should have killed him years ago. After discovering the Simpson family vault contained 3 bottle caps, an IOU from Barney, a coupon for 1 free pretzel, Homer had a brilliant idea. Homer. Asterisk asterisk. Hey, can I take out a magic loan? Asterisk. The goblins immediately called the Ministry of Magic to make Muggle debt an unforgivable curse. Dash dash dash. The train to Hogwarts. Platform 9 3/4. Lisa cried as she pushed Homer's cart toward the barrier. Lisa. Asterisk asterisk. Just think happy thoughts and run. Asterisk. Homer. Asterisk asterisk. I'm thinking of bacon. I'm thinking of bacon. Asterisk. Splat. Homer got stuck halfway. Ron Weasley. Asterisk asterisk. Blimey. They're putting muggles in the walls now. Asterisk. Hermione. Asterisk asterisk. That's not how the platform works. Asterisk. After being unstuck, with liberal use of butter, Homer boarded the train where he mistook Bertie Bott's every flavor beans for free snacks. Ate the chocolate frog, including the card. Started a food fight with Malfoy using enchanted pumpkin pasties. Draco. Asterisk asterisk. My father will hear about this. Asterisk. Homer. Asterisk asterisk. Yeah. Well, my dad can beat up your dad. Pause. Wait. No, he can't. Asterisk. Chapter 3. The Sorting Cheat. The Hat That Regretted Everything. The Great Hall fell silent as Professor McGonagall unrolled her scroll. McGonagall. Asterisk asterisk. Simpson. Homer. Asterisk. Homer tripped up the stairs, belched loudly, and plopped onto the stool. The Sorting Hat barely touched his head before it screamed. Sorting Hat. Asterisk asterisk. Sweet Merlin's beard. It's like staring into the mind of a concussed troll. Asterisk. Homer. Asterisk asterisk. Hey. I got an A in. That thing with the numbers. Asterisk. The hat shuddered. Sorting Hat. Asterisk asterisk. There's no house for you. You'd corrupt Gryffindor's bravery into stupidity. Ravenclaw's wisdom into whatever this is. Slytherin's ambition into napping ambition. And Hufflepuff's kindness into enabling. Asterisk. Dumbledore. Asterisk asterisk. Perhaps we need a new category. Asterisk. Homer. Asterisk asterisk. Ooh. How about House Snackter? Asterisk. The ceiling enchanted to look like the sky suddenly rained chocolate. Dash dash dash. The birth of House Dufflepuff. In a historic Hogwarts first, Dumbledore announced. Dumbledore. Asterisk asterisk. Very well. Let it be known that from this day forward, there shall be a fifth house, Dufflepuff. Colors. Beer stain brown and donut pink. Mascot. The Sleeping Sloth. House Ghost. Drunken Barnabas the Burpee. Asterisk. Hermione. Asterisk asterisk. This goes against 1,000 years of tradition. Asterisk. Homer. Asterisk asterisk. And this goes against my empty stomach. Steals a chicken leg from the Slytherin table. Dash dash dash. First day disasters. Potions class. Snape. Asterisk asterisk. Simpson. What would I get if I added powdered root of asphodel to an infusion of wormwood? Asterisk. Homer. Asterisk asterisk. A delicious smoothie. Asterisk. Snape's left eye started twitching uncontrollably. Defense against the dark arts. Quirrell. Asterisk asterisk. TT today we'll discuss vampires. Asterisk. Homer. Asterisk asterisk. PSH. I'm not scared. My wife's sister dates a bloodsucker. Asterisk. Cut to Selma hissing at the sun. Dash dash dash. The boy WHO lived next door. Meanwhile, the real chosen one was having his own adventure. Springfield Elementary. Detention room. Harry Potter. Asterisk asterisk. I don't understand. I waited on my aunt and uncle's roof all night but no wizard came. Asterisk. Principal Skinner. Asterisk asterisk. That's nice, Harry. Now stop telling fantasy stories and clean these erasers. Asterisk. Groundskeeper Willie. Asterisk asterisk. Och. Yay we dafty. Yay think a wizard. Next yay'll be sayin' yay can talk tear snakes. Asterisk. A passing garden snake nods at Harry. Harry. Asterisk asterisk. I can talk to snakes. Asterisk. Willie. Asterisk asterisk. That's it. Off tear the loony bin. Asterisk. Dash dash dash. Back at Hogwarts, the Feast goes wrong asterisk as the floating candles illuminated the great hall. Homer made a shocking discovery. Homer. Asterisk. Wait a second. There's no TV here. No Moe's Tavern. No. No Duff Beer. Hagrid. Asterisk. Well, we got Butterbeer, Homer. Asterisk. Revolution. Stands on table. I demand a Hogwarts that has snack food that doesn't try to kill you, and reclining chairs, and other stuff I'll think of later. The entire Hufflepuff table inexplicably started chanting, Dufflepuff. Dufflepuff. Asterisk, to be continued.